Upgrade your cold air intake system. Upgrading your air intake system can provide several benefits to your vehicle's performance, including increased horsepower, better throttle response, and improved fuel efficiency. One popular upgrade is installing a cold air intake system, which can provide even greater gains in performance. A cold air intake system replaces your vehicle's factory air intake with a larger, more free-flowing system that draws in cooler air from outside the engine bay. This cooler air is denser than the hot air inside the engine bay, which means it contains more oxygen molecules. More oxygen in the air means that your engine can burn fuel more efficiently, resulting in increased horsepower and torque. Installing a cold air intake system can also improve your vehicle's throttle response, as the increased airflow allows the engine to respond more quickly to your input. Additionally, a cold air intake system can improve your vehicle's fuel efficiency, as the engine can operate more efficiently with the increased oxygen content in the air. When selecting a cold air intake system, it's important to choose one that is designed specifically for your vehicle's make and model. This will ensure proper fitment and optimal performance gains. Additionally, it's important to ensure that the intake system is legal in your area, as some regions have emissions regulations that prohibit certain aftermarket modifications. Overall, upgrading your air intake system, and specifically installing a cold air intake system, can provide significant benefits to your vehicle's performance. However, it's important to research and choose a system that is appropriate for your vehicle and legal in your area. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks.